मेरी नजरों को तूने सपना दिखाया, जगाया मुझे रातों में.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really great. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I create this legit no makeup look wherein I've not used any concealer, any foundation, any BB cream or any CC cream to do this no makeup look. It's a very beautiful makeup look that you could carry out every day if you are a college going girl, an office going girl, or if you want to go like all natural for a casual outing, then this look is really amazing and perfect for these type of occasions. Plus it's perfect for summers because this isn't too heavy and it's not going to make you break out. It's really easy to carry and has a beautiful sun protection as well. So if you want to know more about this look and how I end up creating this look, then you know the drill. Continue watching. Alright, to begin with, I'm going to moisturize my face with the Pond's Super Light Gel, and this is one of my most favorite and most used moisturizers in summers, and it is super lightweight. It absorbs really quickly onto the skin and it's absolutely freakingly amazing. So yeah, I will highly guys recommend you to try this one. I've used quite a lot of tubs and I'm obsessed. It is also a very close dupe for the Clinique Moisture Surge because the consistency is very gel-like and it's actually really great. So you'll see how beautifully this moisturizes my face. You can see the boost of hydration my face has gotten just after applying the moisturizer, and it's really amazing. Now today's look is a legit no makeup look wherein I'm not going to be using any base products like any makeup based products such as foundation, concealer, BB cream or CC cream for doing my base. Instead I'm going to be using a tinted sunscreen, and this is the best thing you can use for summers. And for today I'm going to be using the Recoil Sheer Zinc Tinted Moisturizer. This is such a beautiful product. You will fall in love when we use this. It is suitable for all skin types and it is non-comedogenic. It has beautiful natural tint which is suitable for all skin tones as well, and it is non-comedogenic. It has an SPF of 50 plus and it is 100% mineral sunscreen for UVA, UVB and IR protection, and it is dermatologically tested. It is a bit expensive but definitely worth giving a try. It's so good. So I'm just gonna take some product. You can see it has a beautiful texture. It has a moussey texture which makes it super easy to apply and blend, so you don't even need any makeup tool to apply this. You can see the tint is really natural looking. It does cover up, it has a mild coverage, it does cover up with your imperfections, but it's not something heavy, which is something I really like, and it looks super natural just like your own skin. And yeah, I'm gonna just blend this all over my face. Make sure you apply it beautifully and nicely all over your face. You can see it has covered up quite a lot of my imperfections that were visible earlier, and it has given me a very natural skin-like look, which is something I really like about. This doesn't crease out, doesn't cake up and doesn't do anything. It just dries out to a super mattified kind of formula. It doesn't feel dry, it doesn't feel like anything. It just feels like you've applied a sunscreen because it's legit a sunscreen. And yeah, I also like to apply it over my lids because the eyelids too also need some protection and they also get the tint as well. So yeah, you can see this looks really natural and skin-like, and this is the best thing about this tinted sunscreen. This is the best thing you could use during summers because you need a lot of sun protection, and what is best than a tinted sunscreen for your no makeup look. So if you're going to office or you're going to any casual outing, if you're going to go super natural and not looking very heavy at all, then this look is really perfect for you. Now moving to the next thing is bronzer, because I cannot miss bronzer. If you're a person that does not use the bronzer or is comfortable without the bronzer, you can just skip this step. But I'm going to be using a bronzer to give some contour. So I'm going to be using the Benefit Hoola bronzer. It is a beautiful bronzer. It's just amazing. You could also use this as a contouring powder. So this is how it looks like, and it's really beautiful. I'm just using the brush that comes with it. I'm taking some product and I'm going to be, creating a very, it looks very natural because you don't have much of coverage, but it looks very natural. You can do this. So I'm going to be just, very roughly apply this. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's a no makeup look, and it has to be very casual and super natural looking. So you can, go very roughly with the bronzer and blusher because it's going to be looking very natural and really nice. You don't need to be super perfect at doing the contour thing or the bronze up thing. And this is how I usually would apply the bronzer. I like the way it adds some warmth and color to my overall look, so I definitely go on with bronzer. You could skip this totally. Now to blend this further, I'm going to be using the PAC 368 contour brush to give this a bit of more blending and to make it more natural and overall blended. You can see it just gives like a sun-kissed and super natural effect, which is something I really like. So you can see this all looks super blended and really beautiful, just like a sun-kissed look. And since we've used a tinted sunscreen, you might be able to see some of the imperfections. If you don't like your imperfections to be visible, you can go ahead and use a concealer to conceal those further. But I don't think that there's a need of any further concealing because I like my imperfections to be a little bit visible, because it really adds to the natural overall look, because we are going for a no makeup look, and natural skin does have imperfections and marks. So even if these are peeping through a little bit, I don't really mind. If you wish to, you could go ahead and conceal these further, but I'm just good to go like this. Next, something that cannot miss a summer makeup look is using a tint. So I'm going to be using the llana Beet tint for today's look, and I'm obsessed with lip tints and cheek tints because they just add so much color and natural beauty to your overall look that I'm obsessed with. So yeah, this is their Beet tint. I absolutely love this one. It's one of my favorite tints, and I'm just gonna apply it here because I'm gonna give it a lifted effect. If you want to give it like a more fuller cheeks effect, you can start applying it here for that fuller rosy cheeks look. But I am currently obsessed with this lifted blusher technique, so I'm just using it here just above the contour or bronzer to give that lifted effect. This also makes your face appear more slimmer and lifted, so you could use this technique if you wish to. Otherwise, you could just go ahead and use it on the apples of your cheeks for that fuller cheek effect. And it's a beautiful tint. You can see it blends up like really easily and adds a lot of color and beautiful cute valley feeling to your makeup look, which is something I really like about this tint. And yeah, just have to blend this really nicely with your fingers. You could also use a makeup brush, but I think that it blends up really beautifully with your fingers only. So yeah, this is what we are going for. It is also very aesthetic and very Pinterest like makeup because it's going to be looking really natural. I just also like to add whatever is left on my fingers on my chin because it balances out the color on the face, because if you only apply color here, it's going to look a bit weird. So I like to balance it out by applying a little bit of it on the cheek as well, so it looks more balanced. And yeah, this is what we are going to do for our base makeup. Now another thing that cannot miss my makeup look is mascara. So I'm going to be using mascara and also lipstick. So before I'm going to apply mascara, there's something I've been lately doing, and it's using this tool, which is a beautiful tool honestly, but you have to be really careful if you're a first time user because you could actually end up taking away your lashes. So be really patient and really gentle by using this thing. So make sure you just take your lashes and push them up just like this. and you have to release the thing and then take it out. Don't just press and take it out, because you would be eliminating your lashes. You can see it has given an instant lift to my lashes, which is something that really makes a huge difference when you apply mascara, because your eyes look more opened up and more brightened up, which is something I really like. And the lashes do also look more longer and fuller, which is something I really like. I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye and be really gentle while using the tool. Release it and then remove it. You can see the difference. It has lifted up the lashes to a great extent. Alright, next I'm going to use a mascara, and today I'm going to be using the Lakme Eyeconic mascara. This is also one of my most favorite drugstore mascaras because it adds a lot of volume, and I really like the applicator of this one. So this is a beautiful mascara. It's really affordable. I think it only retails for 400 bucks, which is really affordable and works wonderfully. And it's also waterproof, so yeah. I'm just adding a coat of mascara to my lashes. Mascara adds a lot of volume and takes up your makeup to another level, and that's why I cannot miss on mascara. Now the only thing that I'm left with is with lipstick. So for today's natural look, I'm going to be using this lip combo right here, and this is the Faces Canada Ultime Pro Lip Definer in the shade Brown 03. It's a beautiful nude lip liner, and it's a beautiful formulation. I really love the formula, the applicator, and the best part is that it's retractable, so it's a must try if you're looking for a good nude lip liner. And for lipstick, I'm going to be using the Nykaa Matte-illicious Lip Crayon in the shade Next Level Nude. It's a beautiful everyday natural lip shade which will suit fair to medium skin tones, and it's a beautiful nude shade. I have also included this one in my top 5 favorite nude lipsticks, so if you haven't watched that video yet, I'll be linking it somewhere up on the screen for you guys to see. And yeah, I'm gonna be overlining my lips because I'm obsessed with overlining my lips, and you could skip this step if you don't like to overline your lips, but I do. So I'm going to be overlining my lips with this lip liner. So this is how I overline my lips. It looks really beautiful. Next, I'm going to be filling up the lips with the lip crayon. And this is how it's looking. I absolutely love this all natural makeup look. If you even want to make it more natural, you could skip overlining your lips and use the lip shade directly on your natural lip shape. But I personally like to accentuate my lips, so I love overlining my lips. You could totally skip the overlining thing and just apply a regular nude lipstick. And yeah, you could also substitute any of the products I've used in this video with some products that you already own. Those would be working as perfectly as these did. And yeah, this is all about today's makeup. It's perfect for office going, college going girls, and for casual outings, everyday makeup looks. This is really good, and this won't make you break out, this won't make you sweaty. If you're a person that tends to get really oily easily, you could also go ahead and set up your face a bit with compact powder for that further sealing and mattified look. But this type of makeup look does look really natural, and it does enhance your natural features, which is an amazing thing. And yeah, this was all about today's makeup look. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching it. I'm just going to give you some poses for you guys to see how this is looking. And yeah,
मेरी नजरों को तूने सपना दिखाया, जगाया मुझे रातों में, दबी दबी सांसों में.
so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this look. This is such a beautiful, easy, and really quick makeup look that you could do under 10 minutes, and it's really amazing because it's going to be protecting your skin rather than making it worse, because foundations and CC creams and BB creams, concealers tend to be really heavy, and during summers it ends up looking really bad. But this makeup look is really easy to carry for summers, and it's amazing for college and office going girls. So I personally love carrying out this makeup look every day whenever I'm going out for a casual outing. If I go for shopping, or if I have to meet my girlfriends, I just wear this look, and it's really beautiful, honestly. And yeah, this was it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching it and you found this video helpful. If you really like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please consider subscribing. And yeah, thank you so much for sticking till the end of this video. See you in the next video. Till then, please take care, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye guys.